am starting my day with my vitamins and minerals. The multivitamin brand that I live by is True Grace. They have a unique concoction of organic ingredients and I love it. After I'm done with my morning walk, I am heading to Kill Me Crazy because like most people, I get lazy sometimes and I like to go out and grab my juice and also get my daughter something quick to eat. So we will be hanging out at Kill Me Crazy for a while. I decided to get melon juice because it's still in season and my daughter got the raw vegan nut butter snack. On the weekends, I typically make more meals since I have more time, so I prepped my juice, berries, and melons and went with sea vegetable bowl for my lunch. All I had to do was open the 1 serving size pack, wash and soak them for 10 minutes, season them with my sea seasoning, which is a salt alternative, and dose flakes, which is a red seaweed. I added in some cucumbers and hemp seeds as well, and that was my lunch. So we are at my favorite place, which is the Avalon. It's pretty loud, so I don't know if you guys can really hear me good, but I haven't been out in a while. Like, it's not even funny. So we're about to chill out, and I'm about to get me some tea. Look. I'm already ready to go. This music is so loud, and I feel like I've been out here forever, and I'm just like ready to go home. My daughter is playing right now, and so basically I'm like sitting in the lobby waiting for her to like be done because I'm ready to go home. I want to take a nice hot shower and I just want to watch TV. It's time to go. I am so ready to get home so I can eat because I like to eat. Okay, what are we gonna eat tonight? You don't know what we're gonna eat? Anyway, I don't know. I have a taste for a salad, like a loaded freaking salad. That's what I'm having tonight. And I am trying to save money because I've been lazy lately and I've been eating out. But baby, no more. I am making my salad at home. It's a new day, and once again, it's all about sea vegetables. It's one of the most critical parts of a balanced diet and the best source for minerals, which is needed for healing and receiving the minerals the body requires daily. It's been neglected by many people for whatever reason, but I want to share how to incorporate them in your meals. So today, I will be shopping for some of the ingredients and purchasing some other items that I need. I've been incorporating more sea vegetables in my diet over the past 3 weeks, and it has been going quite well. I've also been purchasing more organic and locally grown items too. I highly encourage you to explore the many options that you have on a raw vegan diet because that's what makes it sustainable. We used to call these bullet grapes back in the day, and they are organic. So this is what I came for, some cup noodles. They're only $5.79 and I am going to get about 3 of these. I'm so ready to try them. This is my first time. I really hope it tastes amazing, but we'll see. So I went in the grocery store for kelp noodles only, and I left with oranges, apples, avocado, lemon, orange juice, which I got for my daughter after she sampled it because she really wanted it. And I am way over budget for this month. Like, the month just started and I'm already over budget. Like, I have to stop. This has to stop. Like, I need to get better. I'm making kelp pasta, and yes, it's raw. With a nice sauce, seasoning, and toppings, you will never know. No more feeling guilty for eating pasta. So I just want to put you guys on game real quick. I've been meaning to share this for so freaking long, but every time, I do a video, it always slips my mind. So today, listen, I have to let you know. So you guys need to download Gaia. It's a streaming service such as Hulu and Netflix, and it only focuses on like healing, nature, acupuncture, all of those good things, from meditation to yoga to psychedelics. This is the place, okay? It's a lot of educational content, and I think a lot of you guys would benefit from it, especially if you are on a healing journey or looking to get on one. So, some of the things that I've learned from it, because I've been watching Gaia, I know, since like 2020. I started watching it back then during quarantine, and it changed my life. I mean, it was one of the reasons why I stopped drinking coffee, because as you know, well, as I found out from Gaia, the US is one of the only developing countries to not have a coffee bean mold standard. And I think that is crazy, because some of the symptoms they were talking about, a lot of people, mistake that as like a crash and you need more coffee. But a lot of that is just your body full of mold from the coffee beans. And so, I learned so much, and it really saved me a lot, because a lot of us, are always looking in different places to find the answer. And I feel like this is more of a one-stop shop. Like, if you're interested in psychedelics, like I tried shrooms once, maybe twice. I lied. I tried shrooms twice. And, it just was a great experience for me. Now, would I try it again? Yeah, maybe in the future. But I mean, I was able to get a lot of information about it from watching Gaia, because they don't just post content, educational content, but articles as well if you're interested in just reading content. I will share some of the content on their streaming service, because I know that you guys won't be able to see it unless you download it. And they do have a 7-day free trial run. So if you want to just check it out yourself and see how it goes, I highly recommend that. But just to show you a couple of the series on there, like, this is it. They also have a lot of content on there about cancer. So if you know someone who has cancer, or if you have cancer, this is a perfect place to just kind of explore, to kind of heal your body naturally. Not saying that you can't do chemotherapy, because if that's something you want to do, I highly recommend you explore it, especially if you don't want to take the natural route, because you need some type of medicine, to combat it. But I will say that, this is very educational. Even if you're doing chemo, I still highly recommend that you check it out, because some of these methods really changed a lot of lives. And just using different herbs, the Gerson therapy, I think it's called Gerson therapy, but they have that on there as well. And, I love to share information with you guys, because every time I find something so valuable, I'm just like, oh my God, who could I share this with? Someone needs this information. And, I'm always a source for, passing along good information that will help you guys on your journey, to better life, better health, and all of that. And a lot of this stuff I apply to my own life. I found out a lot about different herbs and how to properly use them. So a lot of us are using herbs, but we are not using them properly, which is why they are not effective as we would like them to be, or that we heard them to be. I get to watch this content with my daughter, and she learns a lot of things about, our bodies as well, and the world and the universe, all of that good stuff. And I think that it would be such an amazing, way to just bond with your family, as far as like just watching educational content, because it can change your life. And it's not just people getting together and just like, oh my God, we're just going to make stuff up. No, these are people who work in the field. These are doctors who worked in the field, who still works in the field, and found that natural methods really work. So this is not just a bunch of people. I'm not going to say like myself, because I don't have a background in, medicine or whatever, but these are people who have a background in medicine, who's an herbalist, and who has a lot of, experience in the field and seen a lot of miracles along their journey. And I hate to say miracles, because I think that just because we're uneducated on a lot of things, I hate to label them miracles. It's just that we're uneducated and we're learning more about, how the body really works. So I think it's about $13.99 a month or $15.99 a month. I can't recall. But I know it's just like Hulu and Netflix. So if you have that, it's around that price range. And yeah, like, just go and check it out for real. Also, I learned a lot about sea vegetables, which is why I decided to kind of touch on this topic today, because as you can see, a lot of the food that I was making today, it was a lot of sea vegetables. And what people need to learn about sea vegetables is that it's high in minerals. And it's crazy because we don't talk much about sea vegetables. I don't hear a lot of people talk about sea vegetables on a raw vegan diet, but it's so necessary. A lot of the quality minerals that we are lacking in our daily life, containing over 60 minerals, are found in sea vegetables. And let me just tell you how beneficial sea vegetables are. Since I've been consuming sea vegetables, honestly, my appetite has reduced significantly. So if you are looking to curb your appetite, this is the route to go. And the reason why I think it is, and this is just my opinion, once your body truly gets the minerals and the vitamins that it needs daily, it's not craving anything else. And I think that's why it's so necessary. So a lot of the things that we consider, hunger, it's really a lack of nutrients and really a lack of minerals, because a lot of us are lacking a lot of minerals that we need daily. And so once your body begins to get that, you stop, your appetite is like curbed. Like, I can't even make this up. And this is something that I recently discovered, which is why I'm glad I'm touching on this today, because it really is something with us, with the human body. The body is always giving us clues about what's going on with this. So never ignore it. I'm telling you, it's like red flags. It's just your body lacking nutrients. And so I just wanted to share that, because this has been such a big thing for me, because I just recently discovered it. And so for me to just realize that I can be around food that I craved even after going raw vegan, and I still kind of wanted to eat, that was cooked, like, that has stopped. And it's only been, I would say, about 3 weeks, but I'm not gonna lie, it has stopped. And I'm like, did my body just adjust? Like, what did I do differently? And when I look back, I realized I started to take in more sea vegetables, which means that my body was lacking some type of mineral. I don't know what it is, if it's iodine, I don't know if it's magnesium, I'm unsure what it is, but my body just like literally jumped back into place. Like, I can't even make this up. But yeah, I just wanted to share this with you guys. I did include the link in the description. If you don't do anything else, just download it and watch it for 7 days for free. You know what I mean? You do not have to purchase it. You can cancel immediately after you purchase and just watch it for 7 days for free. And I promise you, you will not regret it. You would find so much valuable information on there that I wouldn't be surprised if you purchased it. Like, seriously, I wish I was in partnership with them. If you are watching Gaia, hit me up, because I'm telling you, I'm the #1 fan, like #1. Okay. So yeah, I just wanted to share that information with you guys, and I hope you are having a great day. And I guess I'll see you in my next video. Bye.